Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the plant-based research institute, right? So in last class we have discussed about the so many institute or center which is based on to the plant, medicinal plant material, the research and all those things. So today in our topic it is the CCRAS, means Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science, right? So here, this Department of Ayush and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, it comes under this, and it is the apex body or which will monitor the research which is going on into the medicinal plants, right? So when it comes to the medicinal plant, you can see here this is the CCRAS, uh, the New Delhi building there where the main head office it is there into the New Delhi, and this is the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic or Ayurveda Science. It is an apex body in India for undertaking, coordinating, then adding and promoting the research in Ayurvedic or in Ayurveda, right? So the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science is an autonomous body under the Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, right? So IS, we all of you know that this is the one ministry we can say, right, where the Ayurvedic, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathic in this whatever the research funding and all those activity it is going on throughout the India, that will be controlled by Ayush Ministry or Ayush Mantralaya. The council carries out its activities through the network of research institute and centers, right? So in entire India, throughout the India, there are so many organizations it is situated, that is funded by the government, right? And whatever the activity it go on onto the researcher, that will be controlled by it, and functioning under its direct control, and through a number of units located in universities, institute, like universities, like you can take as the example of JNTU itself, right? JNTU, Osmania, or any Ayurvedic university, any institute like Naipur is there, Manipal is there. Then hospital in different parts of the country, so many hospital, Ayurvedic hospital, those who are using the alternative system of medicines. Research activity of the council included research on clinical, it may be like what we have seen into the phase 4 study, like that, clinical drug research onto the any drug, any family welfare, then the literary nutraceuticals, Ayurvedic cosmetics, and biomedical instrumentation of Panchkarma, etc. Right. So that's what different biomedical instrument it is required for the research. So that also will be taken care. Nutraceuticals means many the malnutrition disease is a very drawback in our country, right? So what are the nutrient which they are not able to get from the normal food? So what can be given in the place of that? What are the plant material? Where in which plant material? What are the constituents present? Ayurvedic cosmetics, so many synthetic cosmetic having lot of side effects, adverse effects. So so many Ayurvedic formulations or herbal formulation, let me say, right? Let me use the herbal formulation since it is HDT subject. So herbal formulation, herbal cosmetics, it is being used, right? So that's what it will be controlled by the or this CCRAS. The council has also undertaken collaborative research work with many primer institutions, right? Like collaboration means MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. Like even Avanti also can apply to the CMAP or to the CC, this RAS. So for with the proper project that we want to work into the neem plant, or it is having antimicrobial activity which can be used during the coronavirus, something you have to come with the proper problem, proper objective, and you can apply, right? So you can have the collaboration, and yeah, the students, those who are studying, and the faculty, those who are doing PhD, faculty, those who are having the interest onto the research field, they can work and they can get extra remuneration. At the same time, they can get the extra knowledge onto the research. Apart from these, council is conducting some important research activities in various fields. Now, how we can define this? Central Council means the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science. Right. So, history. If you see the establishment of a Central Council of Research in Ayurveda and Siddha, 33 1978, the 30th March of the 1978, the CCRAS, right, the research in Ayurveda and Siddha, that was established the first time. The council was established in March 1978 after organizations of Central Council for Research in Indian Medicine and Homeopathy, CCRIM and H, right. Indian medicine and homeopathy, right? Central Council for Research in Indian medicine, or means Ayurvedic, nothing but India. Ayurveda is the Indian system of medicine. So, and homeopathy. So, the what was the vision to develop scientific evidence in Ayurvedic principles like Vata, Pitta, Kapha. We are telling no Chiti, Jala, Gagana, Pavan, Samira, Panch Tattva se bana Sarira. So, in this basic concept and theory, what kind of medication can be given to balance those biofluids, like that? In this principle, they started developing the evidences, like when we are using the neem extract, the Vata level is coming into the balance, something like that. Drug therapies by way of integrating ancient wisdom with modern technology, and to bring Ayurveda to the people through innovations related diagnostics. Innovations related diagnostic. What is the exact problem that can be, we will be able to find out, right? Preventive, what can be done to keep safe from the coronavirus, something like that. What are the preventive measures can be developed in that particular system of medicine? Promotive as well as treatment method, and also introduce scientific research for sustained availability of quality natural resources, right? It should be sustained availability, and throughout the time period it should be available. In that way, to translate them into the product and process, and in the synergy with the concentrated organizations, to introduce these innovations into the public health system. Ultimately, it should reach to the public domain what as the research has been developed in the term of treatment, in the term of prevention, in the term of promotion of the treatment methods and all those things. So that was the vision, that was the actually intention behind this ministry or this organization. What is the mission? Mission is somewhat different, right? To aim for Ayushman Bharat. Nowadays you are very much aware that Ayushman Bharat, they are giving the health insurance to the Indian citizens, right? In different state it is little bit varying, right? So you should have Aadhaar card and you can have the Ayushman Bharat card, by way of promoting better health through evidence based Ayurvedic principle and practice. To develop CCRAS, or this organization and council, Central Council for Research in Ayurveda and Siddha, into a dynamic, vibrant and model research organizations for undertaking, coordinating, aiding and promoting research in Ayurveda or into the plant-based medicines or formulations, right? To bring up modern scientific knowledge. What is going on? What are the new plant has been introduced? What are the constituents over there? What is the mechanism of action into the body? In all those modern scientific knowledge, technology, to explore Ayurvedic scientific treasure, following prevalent scientific methods, to attain global leadership in research for treatment and prevention of emerging important lifestyle related to disease and health requirements. Nowadays, that's what it has already, it is being told by Ramdev Baba in Astha channel every day, but nobody listens. So only those who are suffering from a life threatening disease like BP, sugar, migraine, kidney stone, they are only listening, they are only doing the yoga, they are only following the food habits proper which is given by the different Ayurvedic practitioner, but others are not bothering. Others think that till now I don't have any health problem, so I will not do, and I know need not to do those things. So this mission, that's what there is a mission behind this, that global leadership in research and for treatment and prevention of the emerging important lifestyle, right? How, what can it, that's what the 21st June it has been introduced as a World Yoga Day by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the onto the United States. Then it has been approved also, and we are celebrating nowadays. So that that should go in that way, so that the entire world is going to get the benefit. That is the intention or mission behind these organizations. When we talk about the aim it is specific, right? So to enhance the capability of council as a primary institution for research in Ayurvedic science, and to forge strategic alliances with similar establishment, and constantly to strive for excellence in basis and applied knowledge, for efficient understanding of the cause and prevention of human disease and their management, right? So that is the intention, right? Because now you can see the people, they are suffering from cold, dry this thing, fever. So what are the cause for that particular thing, how it is getting, we can see into the principle of Ayurveda, right? That vata, pitta and kapha. So how we can prevent from that particular disease, what kind of management strategy is supposed to be there, that the things we have to discuss into the different natural sources, different plant sources. When we are taking those plant medicine, what are the precautionary measures we can have into the body, that is the intention. The objectives, the basic objectives of this particular organization, it is to formulation, the formulation of aims and patterns in research on scientific lines in Ayurvedic science, to undertake any research based on the plant or other programs in Ayurvedic science. The prosecutions and the assistance in research, the propagation of knowledge and experimental measures generally in connection with the causations, mode of spread and prevention of disease. We can take the example of COVID-19 now, where Ayurvedic has played a major role, even though allopathic is having the more place in this pandemic, but even Ayurvedic supported the allopathic up to the maximum extent in the symptomatic treatment. Definitely when there was no drug, the people, they were, the doctors, the scientists, they were completely confused at that time. Ayurvedic shown its capability to undertake an international and integracy collaboration, the memorandum of understanding in international level. It may be from the International Medical University, Kuala Lumpur, London, US, Oxford University, anything. It may be from Indian institution, what are the collaboration. Even also you can see DST and DBT side, there will be the Indo America research program, like that it will come. Means the tie-up will be there with the different country, and our scientists will go there and work, and their scientists will come here and work, and simultaneously both we will both the country will go together, and they will come with the one conclusion and one outcome, to finance inquiries and research for the furtherance of object in central council, to exchange information with the other institutions, associations and societies interested in the objects similar, how it is having similar to those of the central council, and especially in observation and study of disease, that particular disease where this organization it is working in east and in the India in particular, right? So like that it will go on, to carry out clinical research on the prioritized disease conditions, both as the intramural and collaborative, to carry out survey of medicinal plants, pharmacognostical works like histometal number, histometal index, microscopical, morphological, all those things. Study on propagation techniques, right? What seed propagation, vegetative propagation, micro propagation, all those things. Onto the medicinal plant, how we are going to cultivate, how we are going to get the good quality and good yield of the chemical constituents, to establish methods for analysis, for standardization, quality control of single drug and the compound formulation as well, right? So what will happen here that uh, what is the safety and efficacy parameters, like the drug, what is the test for the drug, whether the proper content is present into that or not, what kind of quality parameter it is supposed to have, right? If it is liquid sample, what kind of refractive index, optical activity, solubility, ash value, extractive value, many more we have discussed into the pharmacognosy, right? So those, all those things which will come here, and it will be designed. The function, the CCRAS is an autonomous body under Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Yes, the council carries out the activities and functions through the network of 30 institute, right, to initiate, add, develop, and coordinate scientific research in different aspects, the fundamental and applied of Ayurvedic science, and to promote and assist institution, those who are having collaboration of research for the study of the disease, for the study of the prevention measure, for the study of the causes and what are the causes, and the remedies, how we can go through, how we can come out from that particular symptom, right? So organization setup of CCRAS, you can see the president will be there onto the top, then the scientific advisory board and group will be there in one side, and in another side standing finance committee. Under standing finance committee there will be the director journal. So in director journal, which is going to control the deputy director journal, technical sections, the here the implementation you can see here, right? So these are the uh, this will deputy director general, technical section, the program, like that, right? Then in another side by director admin, so here will be deputy director admin, here it will be admin section, store section, then vigilance sections, record section, budget section, bill, account, cash, like that. The organization it work into the different parameters. The seniority list of CCRAS officers: Ayurveda, Director Institute, Pharmacognosy, Assistant Director, Pharmacology, Assistant Director, Biochemistry, Research Officers, Chemistry, Assistant Director, Hindi Translator, Hindi Assistant also, because it is in the Hindi, it is known as the national language, and here what will happen, the most of the terminology it will be written into the Hindi, because Hindi they are giving more preference. So translator definitely supposed to be there. Office superintendent, it will be there. It may be from any of the subjects and degree, right? So financier memorandum. Here you can see joint secretary, chairman will be there, right? Then financial advisor, Ministry of Health Welfare from this. Then Professor HM. Like these are the people who are still now they are working into the financial finance memorandum, right? Basic research division, literature research. First we need to work into the computer based like anti-diabetic work of neem plant. So what are the diabetic work has been done? So literature survey we have to do. Literature, the what are the literature it is available in worldwide into the different online platform. So first the research will be done into the computer itself, right? Then it will go for the further basic science and fundamental research, drug development, clinical research, right? So these are the different uh, uh, section where it will go on, right? So we'll be continuing the next class.